a homemade frankincense muscle relaxing lotion for your neck and will include chamomile and lavender. Okay, is your neck tight and tense from posture or stress? And why you don't apply it to your neck, but you apply it to your sternum? Today I'm going to show you how to make my homemade muscle relaxing lotion with chamomile and lavender tea and essential oil of frankincense. And then I will explain to you why it is more effective to put it on your sternum than around your neck. Now we're going to be using the magical butter machine because that is the quickest and most effective way to make lotion. But if you do not have a magical butter machine, I will leave you a link to another video that has another recipe for my homemade lotion applying using these ingredients. So let's get started. Now this recipe is from my book, Homemade Medicine Lotions Made Easy Using the Magical Butter Machine. Now today's recipe makes a thick, luxurious lotion. Now the recipe with the YouTube links makes a much thinner lotion if you want a quicker drying lotion that's more easily absorbed. Now both recipes using equipment from your kitchen is in this homemade skincare workbook below. Now, if you do not have a magical butter machine, you can adapt my recipes from my book on Amazon using equipment from your kitchen. Now, I also have a link here to a video I have done on a different lotion recipe that you can easily adapt. Okay, now a lotion recipe is divided into stages. Now this will be the first stage ingredients that you'll be putting into your magical butter machine. 100 grams of avocado oil. Now you can use grapeseed oil or any herb infused oil of your choice. 50 grams of refined shea butter at room temperature. 50 grams of emulsifying wax, and 250 grams of a strong chamomile lavender tea that's been strained. Now to make your strong lavender chamomile tea, you're going to bring 2 cups distilled water to a boil, add 1½ tablespoons of lavender flowers, 1½ tablespoons of chamomile flowers, remove from heat, cover and steep for 10 minutes. Now your second stage ingredients are going to be 4 grams of honey, 4 grams of vitamin E, 4 grams of lavender or chamomile infused glycerin or just plain glycerin, 5 grams of optifine preservative, and 45 grams of frankincense essential oil. The first thing we're going to do is start out with our chamomile lavender tea. I have brought 2 cups of distilled water to a boil, and I'm going to add my chamomile and lavender. I've got 1.5 tablespoons of each. Now I'm going to let this steep for 10 minutes. While my tea was steeping, I was weighing up my other ingredients. Now one thing to consider when you're making this, you have to weigh all the ingredients and you need to have a scale. Now I'm using, this is 250 grams of my licorice, of my lavender and chamomile tea. I'm going to add that. I've got my E-wax. This is what makes oil and water combined together. Now I've got my shea butter. Now it's important when you use your shea butter, you get it at room temperature. I use the refined shea butter because regular shea butter has its own scent, which I really do not want in my lotions. Okay, and then I've got my avocado oil. Now you can certainly use whatever oil you want. Now all I had to do was put the head on, set the temperature to 160, and set it for 1 hour. And that's all we have to do for right now, and we'll come back in an hour and finish up the lotion. Okay, my machine has beeped and I know it's ready to take the lid off, and I'm going to let this cool about 5 minutes before I add my other ingredients. Now while it's cooling off, I'm going to be weighing them up. Okay, I've let my lotion cool off for about 5 minutes while I weighed my other ingredients. Now I'm going to add them. Now on my honey, I know from experience that I really need to get it in there and stir it up good, or you're going to find out when you get through you've got honey on the bottom of your magical butter machine. I got my vitamin E. Now I've got lavender infused glycerin. If you don't have that already made, you can just use regular glycerin. Now I also have my preservative. And my frankincense essential oil. Now I'm going to replace the head, and I'm going to put this on the blend cycle. This will not add any additional heat, it's just going to blend it. Now while that is going, I want to get my bottles ready. Okay, my machine is beeping, so I'm ready to unplug it. I'm going to give this another stir. Now I am using some Talo bottles or Malibu bottles, and they're the bottles that you put on the lid and they go upside down. Now you can certainly use a mason jar, any kind of jar you want if you'd rather do that. Now I also would like to use some little tiny bottles because I want to be able to put this in my purse and be able to carry it with me. Now the first thing I'm going to do is pour this in a container with a long funnel on it. And once again, I'm going to give this a stir to kind of get out some of the bubbles. And first I'm going to fill up these little tiny bottles. And of course you've got to have a really small funnel. And I've cut off the bottom of it at an angle to make it work better. And I've taken these paper cups and put paper towels in them, and that way they'll stand up. You see on here, I've got a cup with a paper towel, and that helps it stand. Now I'm going to need a little bit bigger funnel for this one. Give it a little tap. I'm going to go to my next bottle. Okay. Now I'm going to let these set overnight before I try to use them. Now I like to cover my bottles of letting set overnight with cheesecloth just to prevent any kind of gnats, ants, or flies that might get into your kitchen while they're setting overnight. Okay, now my lotion has set overnight. I'll put the lids on them. Before I put labels on this, I'm going to clean them with alcohol. So I like to keep my alcohol in a spray bottle. I've got my labels on here, and now let's talk about the ingredients in this lotion and why you should apply it to your sternum. Shallow breathers, breathing at the top of your lungs, signals the fight or flight response. It tells your body to tighten up, be ready to fight or flee. This is called the sympathetic system. Now, breathing all the way down to the diaphragm or the belly signals the parasympathetic system. Everything is okay. You can relax. The parasympathetic system is the branch of your automatic nervous system that brings the body into a state of rest, repair, digestion, and softness. Its core job is to counterbalance the sympathetic system, the fight or flight response, and return you to calm. Its core function, it governs rest and digest and feed and breed functions, things your body can only do when it feels safe. These include digestion, salivation, tear production, sexual arousal, urination, and defecation. Frankincense, or boswellia, has centuries-old reputation for increasing deep breathing and often used for meditation. Nearly all ancient civilizations used it in spiritual rituals, and it is still used in many churches today. Now, muscles from your neck, back of your head, and shoulders attach to the clavicles, sternum, and chest muscles. These attachments to the chest area are pulling on these muscles. The back muscles are overstretched, while the attachment to the front is tight and tensed, pulling the head and shoulders down and forward. This tension is not only from poor posture, but many times are emotionally created. You pull your body into a protective pose to protect your heart and lungs. Lavender tells the brain to relax. Chamomile softens and soothes muscle tension. Frankincense reduces inflammation, deeper irritation, and encourages deep breathing. Applying this lotion to the sternum is more effective than applying to the neck because the thin tissue on the sternum enhances absorption, lets you inhale the EO of frankincense constantly, influences breathing and the nervous system, and helps release the whole tension pattern, not just the neck. Unlike TV shows where the hero tells the victim to take a deep breath and suddenly everything is okay, one time does not work. Your nervous system and muscles have memory and keep going back to their previous condition. It takes many times to break up a pattern. If this pattern has continued for years or has been under acute conditions, a deep muscle massage or trigger point may be required to interrupt this pattern. I'm Carolyn Gibson at Carolyn Gibson Herbalist on YouTube. And you might be an herbalist if you are using frankincense to relax those tight, tense muscles in your neck. Like, subscribe, and I welcome all comments. And if you subscribe, later I will be doing a video that's just on the parasympathetic system and herbs that is for that system.